What the hell is this piece of garbage?
Then I'm going to do some shit.
Why don't you show me a damn real car?
Oh, wagwan, brethren. Make sure you come to the Melanin Fest, boys. It's gonna be nice. Look at that, sexy melanin.
Out of mercy.
All right, guys, bear with me. Long Sunday, mimosas, whiskey, day drinking. Don't want to talk about it. All right. Before I get started, make sure you like and subscribe. Drop some questions in the comments if you got any. All right. We got a 2016 M235 in here today. All right. Customer wanted a muffler delete and a resonator delete. They kind of wanted to just straight pipe the car with no resonators or no mufflers. So that's exactly what we did. Small little baby resonator here. Replaced it with some 3-inch piping, and then a big solid muffler in the back. She was actually a fan of her stock tip, so we just reused them for her. No problem. Super easy. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna bring it down and fire it up. I can almost guarantee it's gonna sound amazing.